Hello guys, my name is Gaurav and I am a software developer. In this tutorial, we will see how to use JSHint so that the Visual Studio Code IDE throws error for common mistakes that we make in our code. First of all, why we need Lint? Because if we are from Java or .NET background, we see that the Eclipse or Visual Studio will throw compile time errors if we miss like comma or some parameters while calling that function or method. But since Visual Studio Code doesn't throw error, so we need to integrate extensions like JSHint or JSLint. I'll go with JSHint. We'll install it from the extension tab. In general, it will always fail, so we will install it globally using the command npm i-g JSHint. We'll open Notepad++. We won't be able to save the file using only Notepad or create such extension files from Windows directly, so for this we will use Notepad++. We will put all these configurations like ECMAScript, ES version 6, so that we can use let instead of var and save it in C drive, username with file name as .jshint.rc. If we go to the IDE, in problems tab, we can see that the error message missing semicolon. Similarly, if I define a variable and don't use that variable, it will throw error. That's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for live sessions and upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching this video.